Yuma thiku ya gatatu ya guthikiririo gwa ciira wa mukenya Paul Gicheru uria kwirikanaga ni ahuthikire guthogaira ciira-ini gwa munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto na mwandiki wa mohoro Joshua Sang aria mathitangitwo igoti-ini ria kimabũrũri ria ICC bururi-ini wa Netherlands. Gikaro kia umuthi kiambiriirie na mucirithanio uria uratongoria ciira uyu Maria Samba gutariria muira uyu mitaratara iria gathikitwo niguo kumugitira na gutigira ndanamenyekana ni mundu wothe.
No one outside the courtroom can see your face or hear your real voice during your testimony. There will also be the use of pseudonym. And in accordance with that, we will all refer to you only as Mr. Witness.
Thutha ucio muira uyu arithio mwihitwa wa gutigira riboti na wira uria gutemania mbere igoti riri ni wa ma.
Read out that document and take your solemn undertaking for the court.
I solemnly declare that I'll speak the truth, the whole truth.
Muira uyu ni atariirie uria korirwo ni andu mari na muoroto wa kumuhakana mbeca niguo atige kuheana wira ciira-ini wa Ruto.
Same location in order to agree on how we were going to recant all our testimonies that were before this court.
The prosecution investigators were aware of everything that you were discussing with the with person number 2. Is that correct?
Yes, my honor.
Mwena wa thitango wa ritera-ini aira atandatu aria wira wa utanyitwo guthinikania Gicheru igoti-ini riri na muthenya wa ira urari mweke wa muira wa mbere uria urekorire hateka-ini thutha wa kuremwo ni gwitariria na kuhura muhuri wira uria atamaniti igoti-ini riri.
You see that?
Yes.
Okay. These were details that you provided. Minor details, but details nonetheless, right?
Mwaka-ini wa 2020 niguo Gicheru eneanire igoti-ini riri miaka 5 thutha wa kurutirwo mukana wa guikio ngono.
As long as you do not
ataramu wa maundu ma kiwatho marauga ugukorwo uri undu muritu kururumura ciira wa Ruto uria gwateaneirio mwaka-ini wa 2015 kumana na wagi wa wira wa kuigana ona thengia wa kugwetwo na njira nene ciira-ini uyu wa Gicheru.
Mr. Steinberg, your
Mihang'o ya guthikiriria ciira uyu iguthie na mbere nginyagia tariki 22 mweri uyu turi.
That were dealt with during the witness preparation session.